In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or create an upload button to a Google Forms. Whether you're collecting resumes, images, or any document type, this feature streamlines the process, making it effortless for respondents to share files with you. Let's dive in and set it up step by step. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. Just type in forms.google.com or locate it via the Google Apps icon if you're already logged into your Google account. Once there, you can either create a new form or select an existing one that you want to modify. Today, we'll start with a fresh form for clarity. With your form open, it's time to add the question where you'll include the upload button. Click on the question field and type in your desired prompt. For our example, let's say, "Please upload a file." It's important to phrase this clearly so that your respondents understand what is expected. Keep your instructions simple, like upload your resume or attach your project file. Next, focus your attention on the drop-down menu located to the right of the question text box. Click on this drop-down. It allows you to select the type of response you're requesting. Normally, it might default to multiple choice or short answer, but in this instance, we'll be selecting File Upload from the list of options. Once you've clicked on File Upload, Google will present a brief message. This message informs your form users that their uploaded files will be saved to your Google Drive. It's a handy feature to keep track of each document submitted. To proceed, just click Continue to confirm your choice and enable this functionality in your form. Now, let's ensure everything looks and works the way you intend it to. At the top right corner of the toolbar, you should see a small eye icon, which is your preview button. Click this icon to open the form in a new tab. This preview allows you to see the form exactly as your users will see it. It's a great way to double-check that everything aligns with your instructions. Finally, it's always good practice to test your form before sharing it with others. Fill out the form yourself and try uploading a file to see how the whole process works. This will give you confidence in knowing that users will have a smooth experience and that you've set everything up correctly. And there you have it, a fully functioning upload button in your Google Form, ready to capture all the files you need. Remember, Google Forms is a powerful tool, and with just a few clicks, you've extended its capabilities significantly. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps make your data collection more effective and efficient. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to explore other ways Google Forms can be customized to fit your every need.